In this video, we will demonstrate to you how to operate the AV Lecture Theatre touch panel interface. Whether you're teaching, running a meeting, or setting up for an event, it's important you're set up correctly. Firstly, you'll be introduced to the crestron touch panel situated on the lectern. To switch on the room, tap the centre icon as prompted on the screen. Once the touch panel has loaded up, the screen will prompt you to select either single or dual projector mode. Single for one central screen, or dual for two screens, handy for when utilising more than one source option for content. Once the projector mode has been established, you'll have to select a source from three options. PC for the in-room computer located on the lectern with two monitors, operating in extended display mode. The master screen navigates your profile and queues up your content. The secondary or extended screen operates as a content repeater for the PC or as a preview screen for content projected. HDMI for any additional devices such as a laptop or tablet. The port for the HDMI cable input is located on the lectern and labelled. DocCam or visualizer located on the lectern, useful for sharing printed and handwritten documents. If you have selected the wrong option, they are all available and easily switchable at a touch of a button. Within the source menu page, you can navigate to additional options such as content and microphone audio controls, located at the bottom of the screen to make volume adjustments as you see fit. Please also note if you're using a laptop, whether Windows or Apple, to make sure you have selected the correct audio output from your device. This would be recognised as crestron. Once selected, make sure your device is set to maximum volume, as you can control the master volume in the room via the touch panel. The lecture theatre has several microphones to offer, with the neck-worn mic, required for teaching and faculty members taking part in recorded lectures. In addition, the inbuilt lectern and handheld microphones to accommodate for a speaker moving on stage, audience participation and Q&As. If you find yourself getting stuck or require prompt reminders, refer to the drop-down menu on the touch panel, located on the top left of the screen. Alternatively, make yourself familiar to the physical handout located on the lectern, where you can contact the AV team for any issues you are encountering with the equipment.